Welcome guys to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Regina Daniels shows off her growing backside amidst pregnancy rumors. Regina Daniels, the wife of billionaire politician Ned Nwoko, is one of the teenage beauty in the Nigerian movie industry that loves to flaunt almost everything on Instagram. On Saturday, the teen actress wowed in another video that surfaced online. She can be seen in the body-hugging joggers, shaking her backside for the camera while the recording continues. Meanwhile, Regina Daniels has gradually continued to satisfy our presumption that she is pregnant for Ned Nwoko. Weeks ago, Regina Daniels shared a photo that showed her supposed baby bump, which left everyone talking about it on social media. Later on, she caused confusion again after showing up heavily pregnant with another video when she and her billionaire husband, Ned Nwoko, have been sighted in a video where they attended a program organized by her husband's foundation for malaria eradication project. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the bell button to get notification when a new story drops. Thank you and see you next time.